As you've heard throughout today's event, Veeam is focused on delivering data resiliency to you, our valued customers and partners. We protect your data across all platforms and ensure it's available whenever and wherever you need it. Veeam is partnering with cybersecurity market leaders to broaden our data resiliency capabilities. This enables us to provide integrated solutions that help identify, alert, respond to, and recover from potential cyber threats. Today, we are proud to announce our partnership with Palo Alto Networks, the worldwide leader in cybersecurity protection. I want to welcome Mikkel Goldstein, Director of Security Architecture and Research at Palo Alto Networks. Mikkel, welcome. We are incredibly excited about this partnership. Tell us a little bit about yourself and Palo Alto Networks.
Thanks, Ross. Happy to be here. So I've been developing SOAR and automation for more than 7 years now, joining Palo Alto Networks through the Demisto acquisition. I'm focused on developing automation for incident response and delivering content for our Cortex XSOAR and XIM customers. With 12 years in experience in cybersecurity in leadership and practitioner roles, I've worked with thousands of tools over the years through IR engagements, and I'm truly passionate about strengthening security posture and scaling operations by leveraging technology. As you've mentioned, Palo Alto Networks is the world leader in cybersecurity, and we have a wide range of products and services in our portfolio. And we're here today to talk specifically about the integration with our Cortex products, focusing on security operations.
Sounds great. As we began discussing building this collective partnership, it became clear that we share similar interests in overall data security. However, many joining us today may wonder, why are cybersecurity companies and data protection companies partnering? Give me your thoughts from a Palo Alto perspective.
Yeah, so I think there's definitely similar interest. We know that it's all about protecting customers before, during, and after a cybersecurity incident. And it's not just about if, but also when cybersecurity events will impact an organization. So as organizations look into their security tool stack and processes, I can say that coming in from a security operations perspective, the integration with data protection makes much sense. First, there's the detection aspect, right? So getting this data from Veeam is obviously beneficial to kickstart an investigation. Next, when you think about it, SOC teams are overwhelmed with alerts. And so automating those investigations and those response processes is key. This is especially important as there's a need for alignment and collaboration between IT and cybersecurity teams. And when you think about it, security teams need actionable data and detections, as well as the capability to have proper and timely response for recovery. And so these are critical components in incident response, overall readiness, and security posture. And data protection technologies are a great tool to enable security teams to do all of the above.
With our new partnership, we have developed a Cortex Marketplace pack for both Palo Alto XSOAR and XSAM products. Tell us a little bit about these products and how these packs will benefit our mutual customer bases.
Sure. So in short, XSOAR is the leading SOAR vendor. So if SOAR stands for Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response. And XIM is the comprehensive SOC platform driven by AI, data, and automation that combines XDR, SOAR, ASM, UBA, TIP, CDR, and so forth, as well as SIEM functionality. Cortex products allow customers to detect and automate the response, enabling them to be more proactive and improve their mean time to detection as well as mean time to response. As I previously mentioned, Cortex relies heavily on data and our integrations with the tools that customers have deployed in their environment. That's why the Veeam team has built a comprehensive integration pack with many content items that are now available out of the box on our Cortex Marketplace. And I'd like to highlight the main functionality that customers would get from using it. So first and very important is obviously the data ingestion, right? So we can ingest data for configuration backup state, malware detection, backup repository state, and any alarms that are triggered. And then, which is also very important, we're able to take action. And by automating those actions, we can save precious time that otherwise would have been spent on manual work for your employees. So this is applicable for kind of three main areas. First, there's the ongoing processes that IT would do, like triggering a configuration backup. Second, we can trigger an incident detected by Veeam and then go through the investigation and response processes for that. Or we can use Veeam as a response tool for incident detected by any other tool in the security tool stack that customers might have. And I want to deep dive on responding for an incident. Let's take ransomware as an example. So time is really of the essence. Being able to rapidly take action, both using Veeam as well as any other integration available on the Cortex marketplace in one single automated and pre-built playbook would save so much time during an incident. So think about it from an investigation perspective. All the things that analysts would need to do manually can be done by out-of-the-box playbooks with automating and executing all the steps that would otherwise need to be done manually. And that too would need to wait for an analyst to actually be assigned and take a look into the incident. And lastly, there's the enhanced visibility and case management capabilities with the health dashboarding and capabilities of the dashboard, as well as being able to manage the incident within Cortex.
Wow, super exciting. Mikhail, thank you so much for your time today. We are excited about this partnership with Palo Alto Networks and look forward to more innovation with you and your teams in the future. Now that you've heard about the integration with Palo Alto, why don't we take a quick look? I'll pass this over to Emily, who will provide a short demo of this new integration. Emily, take it away.
Thanks, team. I'm so excited to be here today to demonstrate the new integration between Veeam and Palo Alto Networks. The Veeam app for Palo Alto Networks XSOAR allows you to monitor the health and security status of your Veeam backup infrastructure using Cortex XSOAR capabilities. Here you can see underneath our incident dashboard, we have these built-in widgets that are going to walk us through what the backup security status looks like for the Veeam server, as well as any Veeam-1 active incidents. One thing to note is this is leveraging Veeam REST API capabilities. So with Veeam REST API, this data set is actually being ported in on an incremental basis. Now, if we were to scroll down, you could see some of the latest incidences, both reported from Veeam Backup and Replication and Veeam-1. If we were to take a look at one of these incidents, you could see that there was a possible malware activity that was triggered from Veeam-1 itself. Now, from this alarm, this is being forwarded through, and our security analysts can leverage this to go ahead and do some additional troubleshooting, as well as be able to do some additional runbooks or playbooks as well. So there is a playbook that does come attached with this new app. Now, in this playbook, I could go ahead and I can figure out a way that I want to resolve this triggered alarm. So I could go through and I could see the alarm that was triggered. I could choose to acknowledge this and or resolve it. And if I resolve this alarm, you'll see that on the screen will be generated with a new ticket that's going to say, "Congratulations, you've now closed this ticket." This is just a small sample of the new features from the integration with Palo Alto. There's so much more to see. Make sure you check out the on-demand session. Back to you, team.
Thanks so much, Emily. Great stuff there. Veeam is committed to building an industry-leading security partnership ecosystem that provides value to you. Over the past year, we have developed and launched several partnerships focused on giving you the tools to help detect, respond to, and recover from potential threats. These partnerships include Splunk, the industry-leading security information and event management platform, Sophos, a global leader in cybersecurity products and services, and now Palo Alto Networks, the global leader in cybersecurity protection. I'm sure you can spot the trend. In the coming months, you will see more partnerships, more innovation, and more integrations with several leaders in the cybersecurity market, so stay tuned. Thank you for your time today and enjoy the rest of today's event.